Hello friends, welcome to the another learning session of Keep Learning Keep Growing channel. Today I am going to share you the free energy project in which we are going to use the gravity force. Yes, we are going to make the gravity light, and this I am very sure that this project will be very interesting and you will enjoy this project to see and learn and to make. So watch this video till the end and let us get started. So friends, as you can see that this is gravity light, and here to as a weight we have taken some sand in the bottle, and the thread is been tied over here at the as a pulley, and then I will show how it works. I'll just leave this bottle and see, here is the bulb, and the bulb will glow without any electricity, right? So as we know, we need 6 mm gear motor with RPM is 1000, 12 watt should be there. So that kind of motor we have to take, and I have already connect the LED bulb with it. So friends, as we want to keep the cost of gravity light as low as possible, so I have taken the curtain case, and in that I have kept the plastic base like this. You can cut out with the sunboard also, you can cut out like that and fix in the curtain case and fix the DC motor like this. Now we'll fix the DC motor using screw. Now we will take this much size of tooth, which we will set at the side of the main tooth of the DC motor. Now see, as you can see that it is set and both teeth are moving. You can see the thread reel around it. We have wrap up the wire, and you can see that there is one small metal stick is there, and the one more tooth is attached with it. Now we will fix it, set it with screw. Now our gravity light is almost ready. Now wrap the wire around the thread reel and tie it with the bottle like this. So friend, this was the gravity light which we can present in any kind of science exhibition or project. I hope you like this project and video. If you like it, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you are visiting here first time. And if you have any suggestion, please write below in comment section, and let us meet in the another learning session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.